my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic na about Mommy Yuri. Like, you get one video when I see just now. When Mommy Yuri member, she still a strong member na she be for Salt and Water Ministry. He said a strong member na she be. Why I want to react to this video be say the way she dey talk say Mommy Yuri just disgrace them. In the verse for Mommy Yuri, why she will go settle with a Edimofi. She not supposed to dey close to a Edimofi. This video now when me they do now for all organic Yuri Mommy Yuri follower. Now then, I me want to look. I want to look, see una comment. I see whether some of us still read the verse, because for me, I don't really see anything wrong for what Mommy Yuri do. I don't really see anything wrong, because you can settle with your enemy, because it gets some kind. Una know what una no understand. Be say it dey happen to me too. It gets some kind person wait off una go quarrel. Me, I met with my friend, my best friend for year. We quarreled for 2 years now. She be with us this settle now again. We still settle, the friendship still be upon what we tell each other, but the friendship still be the way it be. You understand? So, Mommy Yuri na person wey like Edimofi right for time. Even when wait two of them they quarrel, where they insult each other, you go see that. I dey look am. I disagree read person well. I dey look Mommy Yuri say, he really like this man. They be like say they pain and saying with this man really they quarrel. You understand? Okay. That one for that one. So since when they take settle back again now, you go really see that happiness in this woman. A person will really like a Edimofi. So more than not blame her, I beg the members. Now the members make on talk to so. Because this one will be say some of the members now don't they call for platform to platform now. It's not good. You understand? Mommy, you're not a person will really like a Edimofi. Nobody go feel cause quarrel between two of them. You really like him. If not the money when they give and they pay you this color wake up for here, you just talk. Don't be say you say, Mommy Yuri follow my hand. More than listen to what you talk before I go start to the talk again.
This video, the video about fear, sure. So Mommy Yuri want to Paris, men of Guana, a member where he like a strong member. Now what a member, a Salt and Water Ministry, but. Recently, been where to where you may understand, because what do women member what do women say since 2018 MK follow way even a party Mofi or say women way because he may worship party.
He said the way Mommy Yuri they do so, it be like say one key some of the members for good. Say since we take settle with a Edimofi, because I've been in that talk. Since we take settle with a Edimofi, he said the way she can't they do, she can't change. Wanna listen.
Facebook. But you don't want to Paris, so you don't want to Paris, so in a way, don't you don't want to Paris now? And I YouTube I search. You search every.
He say I ain't say no Mommy Yuri. That time where Epa and the Mommy Yuri they quarrel. He said at that time, I ain't say no. I see the way Epa they call Mommy Yuri name. Now you can see I hope this woman whether they call any like this. Now she can say go YouTube. Now you can go find them. Now you see Mommy Yuri.
And that exactly then me had we were real life. You know the listening to when I damn me have fed no throughout that night. Me have fed no time get this sound on sound you me. Now when I me we man wa kan we very only since 2018 I wash you me to men of Guana me been we have blast here a Edimofi a program where uche o nwa I mean your plan ma say we members we tell say the way una Kyotone a members when you Guan we are blasted the Mofi be so
he say even Mommy Yuri way they talk so you know the way Mommy Yuri take blast a Edimofi too. He say even Mommy Yuri even talk say if he give a member chance, make the take blast a Edimofi. Say a Edimofi not go see where pull eye again. Mona listen.
For we are a chance in Yagua. But recently, when we to boy ya no they close to it, the movie me might get a.
He said recently, the way Momiyore wanted they close to a pa a Dimofi, he said they don't understand. They don't understand that part. Now that one, they verse all of them now.
How do you know why me bassy yes? Because of since me why I me no go na ya West Sunday.
He said it be like say Momiyore want kill them for good now. He says it's when he know her.
2018, me might worship a pa the movie. Kedere ade me might watch.
He says since when he know Momiyore since 2018, he never watched a pa the movie since. You know they wash him because of the way they insult Momiyore.
Share the video, share now. You remember the thought, so the strong member when you get there for your
but we never stick to where life.
He said, "Now a part Mofi make him know Momiyore." He says, "As he can't follow like Momiyore, she Momiyore no enter live video. She know the day okay that day."
Can you imagine that?
He said, if you not watch him a day, it could be like say she is sick. Then she will go to look for her videos, so she don't feel do down. She go to listen to the videos.
Forgive a party Mofi. Fine, which my members will maybe agree because forgiveness is always free. You can forgive, but when you they close to a party Mofi, me ma agree as a member at all. Ma agree, me no one, ma agree. So we are a blogger. We can blog anything unblockable. You understand? So say now only ni go e
he say, he know say they be bloggers, so you can blog anything. But for Momiyore to come they close to a party Mofi, I don't want the verse inside.
Share this video, share. And you remember the thought, so you remember. You're a strong member, and the thought, so you're a settled the muffin. No, you're a lad, and no time me, the reason you remember seeing Guido. So now, my mind, so you're a Maya drop opinion, yeah.
He say all of the verse, they're not supposed, Momiyore not supposed to fall their hand like this. Go settle with a pie the Mofi. And they can't be like, say, since when Momiyore settle, it's just they happy, the raw powder, they happy. He said that he godfather before. He saying with his papa does settle back. Me no understand people shall. I don't know how people take the reason really. This woman, if you see the happiness in her, you go know say, now person will really like a pie the Mofi. Now just a little misunderstanding. And now people even push a power for that thing when you do that time. So I don't really see anything wrong here. Really. I don't see anything wrong for what Momiyore do. Momiyore na person who doesn't put something for mind. A very nice woman. A woman will get good heart. So I don't really see why this caller go just go the call for different platform. If you are really a member, why would you even go to this go to different platform, go the call? It doesn't talk good of you. You will go the call for there. If you really like Momiyore, you're not supposed to do this kind of thing where you do so. You know? Elderly people are begging. Anything you want to think about the video, want to leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Share this video, let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.